up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got this 1967 Porsche 912 up for sale today. We're going to do a full walkthrough, go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We're going to go over the inside, the outside, and then take it for a test drive. If you like our videos, please subscribe if you want to see all of our classic cars in as we get them. Subscribe right now. All right, guys, 67 Porsche 912. Bought this car from one of my clients in Tennessee. He had it for 8 years. He bought it from his friend who had it for 25 years in Texas. Got the car to Tennessee. He threw it in the garage and it sat there for 8 years. About a month and a half ago, he got the engine rebuilt, got it running and driving, and then sold it. Wasn't impressed with the speed. He sold it and he's buying a 911. This is definitely a driver quality car. It's got scratches, it's got dings. I will go through the full condition of it, but it's priced accordingly. It doesn't have a whole lot of rot on it or rust. I will show you every single thing. We'll start off with the passenger side fender. You got this nice scrape here. You have some scrapes here on the body. Original color was red. Now the paint is, I mean, for it having chips in it, like if you see the door here, it's got a bunch of chips in it. It shows very well. You can see your full reflection in it. It looks good. You back up a few feet. I mean, the car is a great, I would say, 6-foot looker. You get up on it, you can see the chips and stuff, but I think it gives it some character, to be quite honest with you. Where this car, we're pricing it way under what a showroom car would go for, and rightly so. Chip here, a couple little nicks in the body. The worst part's going to be up here on the roof. You got some scratches. No bubbling in the paint. You can see a little bit of the red coming through here, and when we open up the boot in the back, you'll be able to see that. Back here, rear quarter, you got some scratches here, some chips. The rest of it is nice. Little flaw there. Glass is intact, it's in good shape. Let's go ahead and give it a door test. Before we do that, you can see more of that red in here. We'll lightly close it real light. Doesn't close all the way light. Let's try medium. Medium, it closes perfect. So you ain't gotta slam it, but you gotta do it a little bit harder than soft. The line on the door gap is really nice. It's nice and even. Doesn't look like it was hit or anything. Rear tail light needs to be replaced. You got some cracks or scratches in the paint here. Onto this side, got a little chip here. The rest of this quarter's in good shape. You can see my reflection real good in it. Little scratch right there. Tires are in great shape, and so are the wheels. Show you the other side. I did not show you. Onto here, you got a little scratch here, a little one here. Go onto this door, driver's door. Driver's door shuts very well. Couple of chips there. This side is obviously better than the other side, but still, right there, chips there. Some flaws here. Front hood, got a little clear, and some chips there. Again, a nice driver quality car. Now this has been painted one time. Originally it was red. Chris, you want to open up the back trunk and the hood? Chris will open that up for us. Okay, these shocks are wore out. Hold that for us. We'll get this right here.
There you go. I go?
Yep. Okay. So, no rot in here. This is all solid. Looks mostly original. And I do have another set of wheels that if a potential buyer's interested, we can try to make a deal on them. And they are the original wheels with the car.
And the original tools are missing.
The original tools are missing as well.
Yes, they're not in the box.
Okay. Can you open the back for us? Okay, you got a flat 4 dual carburetor. I believe this holds, does it? Let's see. No. This just looks like the original color here.
It's actually called Polo Red.
Polo Red is the original color. Yeah, I don't see any rot or anything here. Let's look under the car now, and then we'll take a look underneath and then inside. So underneath, got a little spot here. The rest is really, really, really good. It's nice and solid. Real solid undercarriage, guys. You got that one little spot and the rest of it looks pretty darn solid. A lot of times these cars are rotted out on the East Coast, and this one is in pretty good shape. Looks like El Paso, Texas. We got some Aircraft Pilot Association owners. We'll look on the inside. Seats are nice plush. That one does have a little rip in it. Back seats are there. That one is down. Headliner's showing a little wear. Carpet's not too bad. Chris, you want to fire it up and get it started for us?
Sure.
This would make a perfect project for somebody that wants to either restore it completely or just drive and enjoy it the way it is. RPM gauge works. Temperature gauge, I believe, does not work. The gas tank does work. We put gas in it. And then we'll check out the MPH and make sure that's working when we go for the drive. But overall, it's a good looker. Not a perfect car by any means. I would say it's probably like a 5 out of 10. Maybe a 6 out of 10. Good driving car. Something you can enjoy, get in it. Let's go for a drive. All right, guys, horn does not work. Radio does not work. How about the windshield wipers, Chris? Windshield wipers.
Those are lights.
The lights, okay.
Windshield wipers are going to be...
Oh, they're starting to go. Oh,
I
they're
see
on
'em.
backwards, so they're moving, but they're got to be adjusted.
Got to be adjusted and
Okay.
screwed on, I guess.
All right, so
correctly.
turn them off.
And they're off now.
All right, let's check the turn signals real quick before we leave. Go right turn signal first. All right, so this is broken. I don't see anything there showing indicating right. The lights are on. Go left. Okay, so turn signals are not working. Brake lights? Yes, brake lights are working. So brake lights are working, lights are working, high beams are working. So you got everything but the turn signals. Windshield wipers are working. They just got to be screwed on correctly. But the motor's moving and everything. And radio's not. Okay, that's just a warning signal. E-brake's working?
Yes.
Okay. And then we're at 33,840. We'll see if that moves. And also if the miles per hour is working. How's it shift through the gears?
I think it shifts great.
Nice and smooth?
Smooth.
No grinds or anything?
No.
How about when you feel the clutch? Does the clutch feel pretty tight?
Yeah.
Okay. Try to hit all the gears, Chris.
That's fourth. And then fifth.
There you go. Nice. How's it handle the road?
Very well. It takes the bumps very well as well.
Perfect driver car.
I would agree.
I think you can enjoy this. You don't care if it gets scratched up. Maybe in the future restore it, but
Honestly, I would drive it the way it is. That's what I would do.
just keep it the way it is.
You don't gotta worry about it. You can enjoy it. You're driving a classic Porsche. In my book, it's
Turn around up here.
I'm in third right now. Fourth. Fifth.
So the MPH is not working.
I would also change the shifter. It's a little loose.
See how these brakes are? Pull forward, Chris. We're just gonna check underneath it real quick, see if we have any active oil leaks or anything. We're good right here.
Again, the e-brake does work.
smoking.
Good.
Guys, up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. We ship all over the US and worldwide. Appreciate you checking out our page. Give us a call today, and God bless the USA.